So what are we doing?
We're hiking.
I feel like we're making pretty good time.
Yeah, I think better than when we...
Yeah, this is the leaf break.
Wow. Well, always I feel like the way there is much longer than the way back because you're not familiar with it.
Looks like an owl, kind of, on the
Where?
side with the curved head.
I don't see it.
On the very, that leaves. Do you see it? Okay.
Oh,
The
I
long
see.
thing, yeah.
Right there.
Little owl. Uh-oh.
We're in the jungle, aren't we?
We're on a little adventure. We're tiny travelers in the big outdoors.
Mhm.